Now, Friday cleaning hair investment. Doing vacuum. Because after this one, today we are absent in another apartment. And now we are here. Starting again. Vacuum. Vacuum the floor. All around the carpet. See? Like this. This one all over. Like this. This one we need to vacuum. And this is the carpet that we put in our table to eat. Here, this is the basement area. This is our television. So we need to clean, vacuum. So far, we're still doing cleaning and vacuuming the floor. See? Friday, the time, not same time. Sometimes Friday, sometimes Saturday. Like this, cleaning, like playing, like dancing. And at same time, exercise. Good for exercise. Right? Yeah. Don't forget, guys, watch and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Likes and comments. We are share. Okay? Okay, guys. Thanks. This one, see now. She make dancing. She make happy herself. Siya tired. Lace. Yan. Siya na naman. Palitan lang kami. Ganito kami pag Friday. Linis din. Pag may time. Ti. Banat. Oh, banat daro. Magdaro ta. Para mamugas. Na isang gion. Na, banat. Dance po. Galaw. Gida galaw. Para enjoy life. Idaan sa linis para enjoy life. Sayaw pa more. Para hindi namin ma-feel yung pagod. Ayan. Sayaw din pag may time. Banat. Buhay OFW.
Challenge kami ng touch by touch. Walang sa
Bye bye guys.